Welcome to our Superteam project called Marco's World. It consists of this line called Marco and his gondola going around the perfect world. It consists of a sustainable farm and a dolphin that detects oil spills and butane gas. This, in our opinion, should be this perfect sustainable world with clean energy and clean oceans. Welcome.
The gondola is equipped with a Raspberry Pi 4 that controls two motors with encoder for the wheel movement using two H-bridges. Additionally, the gondola features servo motor that enable the mechanism to raise its side bank. Communication with the other robots occurs via Bluetooth module.
Marco is equipped with omni-wheels allowing it to move freely on the stage. Its brain is an Arduino Mega 2560, which enables the gesture sensor to recognize certain gestures and perform action based on them. Additionally, the Arduino serves as the master of Bluetooth communication among all the robots, coordinating them.
This is our first robot which regulates the quality of the soil using an EV3 Arduino hybrid and communicates using the Bluetooth module. Here is a short example of our Bluetooth communication.
As you can see, the Arduino has received a signal from the EV3. We plan to use a similar kind of communication in our actual run. When the Bluetooth signal is sent from the EV3 to the Arduino, the pH sensor and the moisture sensor start taking readings. Here are certain visuals. Based on these readings, water, acid, or a base is dispensed from our three tanks.
We also use a gyro sensor to ensure that the robot is always aligned when it crosses the rough terrain.
The Dolphin Naval Drone.
The Dolphin started as an autonomous naval drone. Its function is to search for oil slicks and contaminants in the air. It was modified for RoboCup, incorporating a base with wheels.
The Dolphin Drone Operation. With a Haskelin camera, AI can recognize objects, read exposition height, and an Arduino Mega process the data and control the motor's drivers, and the drone follows avoid objects. The naval drone has an NQ2 sensor for butane gas and sends a signal to the synced robot via XP connection.